My welcome message to the next cohort:
This program and what they ask of you is not for the faint of heart.
the next couple years are going to be really, really difficult, but you will come out of them.
But if you want to be a really good teacher and you want to do teaching for your whole life, then I feel like it's perfect for that.
As a better teacher and a teacher that's really prepared to make an impact in whatever city you choose to go to.
Be prepared to be stretched a lot, but also know that you have a good cohort around you that'll help you through.
So advice I would have for someone who is becoming a teacher is that the first year of teaching, there's so much that you have to learn. As you're going through that, just really grounding yourself in what has brought you to education. Like, what is your passion? Like, what brought you to this work?
At the end, every year after seems so much easier.
You know, the key to overcoming those is to just keep coming back.
You feel really prepared and qualified when you do take over the classroom.
In your first and even in your fifth year teaching, it's really important to keep yourself rooted in why you are doing this work.